This one is from my flag country, and it is Infinity Gauntlet from my Thailand fans.
I was a long-time Marvel comic fan. The Marvel Cinematic Universe is the cherry on top.
My friends, they were fanatics of Marvel. So I got interested by them. I started watching the movies. I watched the whole movies towards Infinity Wars.
I read the comic, read the storylines, and fall in love with the Marvel movie.
And I started watching the movies, and I was thrown into this Marvel Cinematic Universe, and I fell in love.
Watching the movies always made me feel like a child again. It just made me really happy every time I go into the cinema.
I think we're about to surprise some fans.
Perfectly balanced, as all things should be.
What?
Uh-oh. 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 Okay. Okay. Whoa.
Whoa.
Here you go.
Really?
What?
Really?
What?
No.
What?
Hi! Who are you?
And then I can't find you.
Bring me the shock block. You're back. What did they just trick you into? Are you honestly surprised?
Thank you.
You're completely surprised. We're having a great time here.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. What? I will say from all of us, Avengers, Guardians, etc., we're really grateful. Thank you. You held it together very well. I'm very impressed with you. A hug for your wife?
Yep.
Yeah, give this one to her.
Mommy, this is for you.
See you later. What a blast.
What happened?
I'm so speechless right now. Just like the trailer, and suddenly it's not DJ in reality, no virtual anymore.
And it was amazing. I feel like it's a dream.
I'm just. RDJ is what's here.
I'm shaking and it didn't stop until now. Still shaking.
Hỏi tất cả các Avengers fans hãy đến rạp chiếu phim ngay hôm nay và đón xem Avengers Infinity War. Gặp các bạn.